Understanding the phrase, all set up. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, all set up. This is a term you'll often hear in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really smooth out your English interactions. So let's get all set up to learn. All set up is a phrase that indicates completion or readiness. When someone says that something is all set up, they mean that everything is in place and prepared for use or an event. For instance, if you're at a party and the host says the buffet is all set up, it means the food is ready for guests to start serving themselves. Let's look at some everyday examples to understand how all set up is used. The meeting room is all set up for the conference tomorrow. Your new phone is all set up and ready to use. The campsite is all set up. We can start the fire now. Be careful not to confuse all set up with all set up. The latter is incorrect because set up, as one word, is a noun that refers to the arrangement of something. The correct phrase uses set and up as separate words, functioning as a verb and an adverb, respectively. It's your turn. Try creating sentences using all set up. Here's a starter. After hours of work, the art exhibition was finally. That wraps up our lesson on all set up. We hope you're now all set up to use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be all set up for success. Until next time, happy learning!